The Farmer and the Little Boy, a short moral story that connects you with the value of compassion. Dear listeners, compassion is a divine quality that we feel the sufferings of others. Compassion is a special gift of God to human beings. A compassionate person realizes that the most terrible disease is to feel unwanted and unloved. His services make him available to lessen the sufferings of the needy. Compassion is the ability to enter into the feelings of another who is in sorrow or in trouble. It enables one to feel with the sufferer and to share his sorrow. Sharing sorrow is equal to reducing sorrow. Great people, thinkers, saints all have again and again laid stress upon the need of having compassion and showing kindness and sympathy to all creatures. The most shining example of someone who showed compassion is Mother Teresa. Her selfless love and care for all beings was truly remarkable. So, children, be compassionate and always be ready to help persons who are in need. Let us begin the story. There was a farmer in a village. He was doing his farming very well, but at the same time, he was very fond of animals. Thus, he had a number of pets too. He had lovely puppies who would play around. The farmer was gradually getting old and was quite worried how to look after the pets as he was very fond of them. He then decided to sell the puppies. He painted a signboard to advertise for the selling of his pups. He thought to set about nailing it to a post on the edge of his yard. He started nailing the board. As he was driving to the last nail into the post, he felt a pull on his trouser. He looked down and found a little boy who was addressing him only, seeing with his sparkling eyes. The farmer asked, "Hey, who are you and what do you want? Can't you see I am doing some job?" "I am Sam," the little boy replied and expressed his desire to buy one of his puppies. The farmer came down and looked at the boy, rubbed the sweat off the back of his neck. He was wondering, will the little one be able to do what he says? The farmer then made the boy aware that these puppies are from the fine species parents and cost a good amount of money. The boy started thinking about the money and put his head down for a moment. Then he pulled out a handful of change, searching deep into his pocket, and put them to the farmer. The boy further asked whether that is enough to take a look at the puppies. The farmer nodded his hand with full surety and allowed him to do so. The boy blew a whistle and called Dolly. It immediately came down from the doghouse and ran down to the ramp. There were 4 little puppies like balls of fur followed Dolly. The little boy started playing with them and pressed his face against the chain link fence. His eyes were dancing with joy. He was enjoying himself. The boy suddenly noticed something was moving inside the doghouse when the dogs made their way to the fence. Slowly, another little pup appeared, and this was relatively smaller one. It slips down the ramp and then slowly in somewhat uncomfortable manner, the little pup began limping to follow its other friends. The boy noticed the pup doing its best to catch up. He at once thought he wants that one. The little boy said to the farmer, pointing to the puppy, that he was willing to take it. The farmer was surprised to see this. He knelt down towards the boy and tried to explain him that he will never be able to run and play with it like these other dogs would. So he should not buy this puppy. On hearing this, Sam stepped back from the fence and reached down. He started rolling one leg of his trouser. He started rolling up one leg of his trousers. The farmer was looking at him with a great shock and was wondering what this boy was actually doing. Sam then exposed a steel support running down both sides of his leg, attached with a specially made shoe. The boy looked up at the farmer and told him, showing his legs, that he too does not run well himself, and thus the puppy will need someone who understands its problem. The farmer was amazed to hear this from such a young boy and felt ashamed of himself that, being a master and a grown up, he could not understand the sorry state of the pup and was advising Sam not to take it. If everyone refuses to take the lamb puppy, then who will accept it? Thus, we should try to understand others' problems. The world is full of such people who need someone who understands. The moral of the story is, if you want others to be happy, practice compassion. Compassion in our heart makes us to go to the helpless persons, meet them, console them, and help them. Compassion has the power to alleviate suffering. Compassion is a healing balm to one who is agony. Compassion teaches us to regard all forms of life as precious. Dear children, so let us be compassionate and always be ready to help the others who are in need. Hit the like button if you find it worth, and do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with me for another such stories. Thank you. Thanks for watching.